What size gap should there be between the tub and tile when applying caulk for a durable joint? For a long-lasting seal, aim for a gap of 1/8 of an inch to 3/16ths of an inch, which balances movement accommodation with proper adhesion. If the gap exceeds this range, use a closed-cell foam backer rod, sized slightly larger than the opening, so the rod compresses and fills the void before you apply caulk. Prepare surfaces by cleaning with a non-residue cleaner and remove old sealant fully. Any soap scum or mildew will prevent proper bond. When tooling, use masking tape on both surfaces to keep the bead straight and pull the tape before the caulk skins to leave a clean edge. Choose a high-quality silicone or hybrid polymer caulk rated for continuous water exposure and follow the manufacturer cure time before wetting the area. For uneven joints, shave the tub or tile edge only if practical. Otherwise, pack the backer rod deeper and use a slightly wider bead while tooling to maintain a uniform convex profile. Common mistakes include leaving gaps too narrow, which trap stress and cause early adhesion failure, too wide, which overextends the caulk and reduces elasticity, and poor surface preparation that prevents bonding. If the gap is too narrow, a practical fix is to widen to at least 1/8 of an inch using a thin putty knife or a microjoint tool to relieve stress and allow the caulk to flex with movement. For gaps that are too wide, first insert an appropriate-sized foam backer rod so the sealant has the correct depth to width ratio and can form a proper hourglass fillet profile. When surfaces are contaminated, always clean thoroughly, and if mold is present, treat with a diluted bleach solution, then rinse and dry completely before applying primer if the product requires it. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors by providing a centralized place to list jobs and review work, so we help match project needs with available tradespeople. We also support contractors by giving them visibility to homeowners and a discussion community where we all share tips, ask questions, and learn practical installation techniques together.